Your mama was that bitch, your grandmama was that bitch, every single person in your lineage was that bitch, respectfully. What makes you think that you are special and you're not the same as everyone who came before? You're not fucking special. You are also that bitch. Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today, getting into the self-concept rampage. But before we get into it, you're more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. Speaking about self-concept and needing a kick up the butt, I have literally just launched my self-concept course called The Perfect Self-Concept, and I would love for you to enroll today. This is a course that not just focuses on a two-dimensional way of thinking to do with self-concept, aka I must know that I'm the operant power and then I will manifest instantly. Yes, that is a later module, but that is so two-dimensional, and that is the only thing that these people on YouTube are talking about because that's the only thing that they know, and it's giving very much I'm uneducated in the law of assumption and self-concept. So I have created a very detailed, in-depth, lengthy course that targets absolutely every single category of the law of assumption to do with self-concept. So we're going to be going in and delving into our self-worth, because that is really what self-concept is. We are disproving our limiting beliefs about our self-concept, and there are 7+ categories that I go into, deciding what gets to be true for us right now and our self-concept. So we are deciding who we want to be now and how to maintain it. Now, I've never talked about the maintaining part about self-concept, because you may decide, but you might get triggered about something along the way and then forget. In this course, I will be telling you my specific technique, but it's not a technique, it is a way of life, to have the perfect self-concept for the rest of your life, okay? It is something very sacred to me and my heart. I had a very low self-concept until 2022, and I just wish I had this when I was 18 years old. This is 90-minute videos per module with explanations, homework, affirmations, workbooks, PDFs, meditations, weekly affirmation. Like, it's literally just perfect. It's a piece of art. It is my pride and joy. I poured my heart and soul into this. When you do join, you get invited into Rita Kaminski's private portal called Rita Kaminski's Limitless community, where you will see the Limitless feed, and we are posting and talking over there. It's so much fun. You're actually going to be communicating with people that want to invest in themselves, in their life, in their future. I mean, you invest in your education, your higher education, right? To learn about fucking Pythagoras theorem. Why not invest in yourself to learn about being a master manifester and being in control of your reality, and also knowing that you are deserving of all of that shit? You have this course for life. I will be adding to it as much as I see fit, and I would highly recommend to join now, because I do up my prices. Louis Vuitton does not put their things on sale, and neither do I. So the price is only going to go up from here. And if you do pay in full, you're actually going to receive an It's Already Done by Rita Kaminski notebook, personally sent by me. I will write a handwritten paragraph or a page, depending on how I'm feeling, of a channel message that you need to hear from me, and I will be including my autograph and sending it, again, directly to your home. To enroll, just click the very first link in the description box down below, or go on ritakaminski.com/courses. I will see you on the other side. I love you so much, and let's get into the motherfucking self-concept rampage. Listen when I say this. Your self-concept cannot be any more perfect. You have the most perfect self-concept because you understand that you are you. You can appreciate you for who you are. And just by you fully and truly understanding that you are that bitch, you automatically have a high self-concept because you truly and fundamentally know who you are. And that makes you have the highest self-concept ever. Because who wouldn't have the most perfect self-concept ever when they know that they are you? You are unmatched. Exactly the way that you were born, every single moment that has led up to you being where you are right now is perfect. Every single aspect of you is perfect in every life chapter, from baby to who you are right now, because your soul cannot change. You as a person cannot change. You are who you are. Your personality, the way that you see things, the way that you appreciate life, the way that you love, the way that you care, the way that you desire things. Everything about you is absolutely insane in the best way possible, because there's no one else like you on the planet. Every fingerprint that you have on all 10 fingers are not even the same. So what makes you think that you and someone else is the same? You're not. And the thing is, you possess the certain qualities that no one else has, that people would die to have. Your unique combination of skills, looks, the way that you see things, the way that you feel, the way that you love, the way that you care, your opinions, the things that you think about, the thing that you care about, your history, your nationality, your ethnicity, your fashion style. Everything about you on the inside is perfect, because that is how you were born, and you were born perfect. You can't change that. There's no denying that. God made you the way that he did for a reason. The thousands and thousands and thousands of ancestors before you were perfect, and you are literally just a creation of them. You are a unique being. You are a unique soul, spirit. Your unique features on your face, on your body, your hair, and your personality is one of one. It is a unique blend. How do you not understand that? So everything that you do, think, say, have opinions on is absolutely perfect, because they make you who you are. No one else has the unique set of combination of opinions, thoughts, ways of saying things, morals, preferences, the things that you like, don't like, and all of that is absolutely amazing and special and perfect. This is your world. You are the operant power. You can't stuff it up, you can't fuck it up, because you're made in the higher power's likeness. You are just a product of everyone before you, but a better version, because you have the software upgrade from all those motherfuckers, respectfully, and you are it right now. You are it. You have hundreds of thousands, if not millions of years of information lodged inside of you. You didn't just spawn into reality. You have so much knowledge inside of you, experiences from your family, from your ancestral line. And I know that you are the one who broke the ancestral generational curse, because you're on this video right now and you know about the law of assumption. And that says it all right there. Period. Your problem is that you know what you think and you feel, desire, want, whatever. But my love, you are not confident in what you are saying. You're not confident in what you are wanting. You're not confident in what you are doing. Right now, know with me that anything that you think, even the fucked up things, anything that you do, anything that you desire, it's already a predecessor of the ones that were before you, your family before you. You are not fucked up. There is nothing wrong with you. You are a sacred vessel, a sacred being that has already been on this planet before through your ancestors. You have been created by the Most High. You are naturally who you are, and that is perfect. No matter of your upbringing or life experiences, it doesn't matter. You are perfect the way that you are right now, and be confident in that. Be confident in what you wear every day. Be confident in how you look like, no matter your weight, no matter your body, no matter illness, whatever illness you have. Everything that has happened up until now, until the rest of your life, is absolutely perfect. You are perfect. And it's up to you to inherently know that and decide that within yourself, because everyone is you pushed out, and there is no inherent truth, there is no inherent meaning. So you get to decide what you want. And what you want, I believe that you need to be confident in yourself. You need to know that nothing has gone wrong. Nothing that you thought, said, or did is wrong. In fact, everything is the best. Everything is perfect. And I want you to not act like it. I want you to just live in the knowing that no matter what you think, say, or do is perfect. And I want you to really deeply, truly revel in that, because it really is the vibe. It really is the case. It really is the whole moment. You are you. No one else can be you. You are a one of one. And let's not forget the fact that you are the operant power, meaning everything stems from your perception. One person can think one way about a leaf. You can think another way. Both opinions are both right and not right, because nothing has meaning. And it's all about what meaning you put on it. But you are the priority, because you are the one that's experiencing life right now. No one fucking else. So put some respect on your name and know that your perception is golden. Whatever you say goes. So if you say, I'm a millionaire, you are one right now. If you say, I'm a master manifester, you're one right now. If you say, my SP is obsessed with me, that's exactly what it is. But it's all about having belief and faith in that, having the strength to understand that you get to run the show. You are running the show. Everything is happening and stemming from your mind. You are not telling your SP to be in love with you. You're not directly going on your phone, calling him and being like, hey, what are you doing? You're in love with me, haha. You are going within, you are going into your mind palace first. You are deciding in your mind, and then everyone is you pushed out, so then he will see the same thing. But do you see how it all starts from your mind? You liking acai stems from your mind and your own opinions. You're not going to your boyfriend or your friend or whoever and asking, do I like acai? They'll be like, you tell me. Because everything stems from your mind. Do not trust anyone else. Do not get validation from anyone else, not even the 3D, because everything starts and ends with your mind. You are running the show at all times, and it's not just about acai. It is about what you wear, your life choices, but also what you get to see in your reality right now, because that's actually what will manifest. Everything is projected from your mind. Your opinion about the acai and your opinion about that reality right now. You have it in the bag. You've got this. All you need is the confidence. All you need is the knowing that everything that you think, say, and do is perfect. You can't fuck it up. Everyone else is wrong but you. What you say goes. If you want this, you got it. If you don't like something, that is the fact. You don't like it. That means it's shit. It's not an opinion base. It's just that you get to run the show and your opinion is the only one that matters. Your opinion is the only opinion that even exists. So with that knowledge, we should be using our opinions and our decisions as the Bible, as the God-given truth, because it is. Let's decide exactly what we want in this reality right now and not go fucking back. And with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.